What's up, YouTube? All right, so I'm back with another video, and on this video, we're talking all about the importance of team meetings. Okay, so today we decided to have a team meeting. I ain't gonna lie, the last time I had a team meeting was, I believe it was in December, maybe. It was a couple of months back. I had a team meeting, but what I've noticed, what happens when we have those large gaps, um, things tend to get a little out of hand. Okay, and what I want all my followers to really realize is that a team is only as strong as its leader. Okay, so if nobody is not, as CEOs, as leaders, you must remain strong. You must keep the team in line, and people might start assuming that this is the way the company runs when it don't even, it's not even supposed to run that way. Okay, so then everybody actually follow the company policy, we wouldn't keep having these little mishaps, these little hiccups. All right, so it became a time when we kept getting all these little hiccups, to where I was forced today to do a virtual meeting. It was like forced. It was like God saying, meeting, this is why this is happening, my child. You need to have a meeting and talk all this stuff out. At the end of the day, we are grown folks. Some of the issues were basically, we want everybody to move as a team, and we know that sometimes it can be some chitter chatter out there in the field, and people may be feeling some type of way, and then they feelings and stuff like that, and we try to avoid from that happening.
Right.
I really want to build a team of happy cleaners. Okay, because the workers out there are the ones that are actually doing the work. And I feel like the worst thing that you can have as a company is a bunch of workers out there that's upset and showing up in front of your clients and they got to clean for your clients and they mad. Okay, so the quality is going to decrease at that point. Okay, and that's what we want to avoid from happening. So we try our best as CEOs to step up, man, and have those meetings. Okay, so in this video, I'm just showing a little snippet of our meeting, and just wanted to encourage you guys to have more meetings with your staff. Is very, very important.
Very, very important, you guys. I mean, from dealing with different personalities, from constructive criticism, people pocket watching, like, you're going to deal with a lot, and it's very imperative to have team meetings just to make sure everybody is on the same, accord, and you don't want to have, your team being upset, as well as you want to make sure that your team is being respectful to everybody and no one's being catty and things of that nature. And, long story short,
Things can get out of hand, y'all.
yes.
And for us, especially when you're growing, see, a lot of you guys haven't went through anything because y'all not in motion in your business yet. But once you get in motion, you start actually building those teams, you're going to start running into some hiccups.
A lot of stuff.
And when we get in motion, and we want to, we're at the point where we're trying to get to that multi-million dollar level.
Right.
We're running into a whole bunch of foolishness, you know, and it's time out for a whole lot of stuff in order to get to the level where we want to be at, if that makes any sense to you. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little clip of our team meeting, and I want you guys to make some comments down below and let us know what you think. Okay, and when is going to be the next time that you schedule your team meeting with your staff? When you going to schedule yours? Anyway, check it out. Area with a few things, and she stepped up and she took the position, and we're still working out kinks, but we did promote her to that general manager position. So I wanted everybody to know that she is a part of quality control as well. So if you do see her come back behind you, it's no ill will. She's not picking on you or anything. She's only doing what her position tells her to do.
I'm a mean old inspector lady.
And I know if anybody's been a quality control inspector for me before, I know that Miss Maria has been a quality control inspector before, and Ariana's been quality control before, and some of you guys have done quality control before. You know, it's not an easy job, you know, and the hardest part is doing the back and forth with between the contractor and the client and all that, especially if you have a contractor that's feels some type of way about, you know, a person coming back behind their work, because we all feel good about our work. You know, can't we all agree that when you bust your ass in an apartment, especially if the apartment was nasty as hell,
Right.
you think that you done did the damn thing to that apartment. So it's like, no way. It's our clients started to say request Allison all the time, because she's very, very particular in the way she cleans. And
I'm not perfect.
She's not perfect. Nobody's perfect.
No.
But she's very particular in the type of way that she cleans. She's very good with the clients, and everybody was like, man. So we were like, damn, if we could get everybody on that scale, we can enhance the quality of our company.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord. Yeah.
This is an example of a deep clean. Okay. This is a deep clean. Now, I know I tell you guys all the time that we upcharge for this mess right here. This is an upcharge unit right here. Okay. If you run into this shit right here, this is what you send in to us and say, hey, Ms. Johnson, this is not no average deal right here. I have to spend extra time in this unit, and I feel like this is a deep clean unit. So I feel like we need to request extra cash on this for my time. I don't mind going to the property and telling the property, hey, this isn't a regular clean. I need to be able to get more for this clean so that I can confiscate my contractor. Okay. So I wanted to show you guys on this. This is a deep clean. All right. Okay. However, if you run into this right here, this is not a deep clean. If you run into something and it looks, this is examples of a regular type of situation that you might see on your daily. You might see the toilet look like this. You may see when you pull out those appliances, and you guys, you have to pull the appliances out. There's no ifs, ands, buts about that. But if you see this and you pull it out, okay, yeah. If you see hangers on the floor, all right. You know, this type of situation, it's very hard for me to vouch for this to be a deep clean. Okay, is there any questions on this? Okay, good.
Yeah, I learned from you guys. I've learned a lot just even partnering with you and some of your cleaners and even you guys with our Atlanta trip. So like I said, I'm learning a lot. I adapt a lot of the things. And from one entrepreneur-minded person to another, you know, a lot of the stuff that these ladies are telling you guys, you know, it really will help you guys to be more successful for your own endeavors. You know, one of the things I noticed with Ms. Katrina, she's not a selfish person. She's literally giving you guys like gold. She's giving you guys all the tools that you'll need to be successful and do this for yourself. And she's, you know, freely giving that away. And that's the type of person that I see when I deal with her. You know, I wouldn't even work, you know, partner up with you guys. But definitely all the stuff that they're telling you guys, you know, there's always room to grow. Constructive criticism, you know, that's part of the game. You know, it's never to hurt you, it's to make you better. And in turn, you know, if you guys care about her and work for this company, it's a thing that we all should look to adapt in all of our things, because we want the company to grow. We want the company, you know, everybody wants more money, more contracts. You know, you want that better lifestyle that this opportunity gives you. So just take the constructive criticism and adapt it, and, you know, see how it works out for you if you try some of these things and communicate. You know, communication is key.
Awesome. I appreciate that. But man, so you are the newest member so far to Tenacity Clean, man. And I just wanted to say, I know we don't speak as much. I got to meet you the first time when you met me in Atlanta. And I knew at that point that you were serious when you got on that road trip with us.
That drive is crazy. I love it.
So I was like, yeah, this man is serious. This man really, really wants to grow his company. He really wants, he's serious about what he's doing, man. I don't talk to you every day, but so so far. Your report has been amazing with us. You know, you ain't been complaining about anything we done gave you. You know, you go out there, you get the job done, you learn the job. Miss Allison worked with you in the beginning to get you on the right track, get you understanding this business a little bit more. And we just welcome you like with open arms. We welcome you. All right.
Yeah.
So this is
I really appreciate the opportunity, guys. And I really do enjoy working with you guys, especially Mr. Allison. Like I said, I'm learning too. So it's one of those things where you have to put your ego to the side and be a student. You know, I tell my people all the time, you know, kind of shut up and learn. And then when on the other side of that shut up and learn, you realize that, okay, you know, I see my life is easier. The process is easier. So I really appreciate the opportunity you guys sharing with me with this.
We appreciate you as well. Thank you for joining the team, man. Thank you.
Yes, we thank you, man.
I want to say something, please.
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
This is Katrina. I just want to tell you guys that I thank you guys because y'all have taught me so much. You know, I really didn't know about. Well, I knew about cleaning, and I always wanted to do it. I always spoke about it years ago. But when Tamika reached out to me, I'm just so grateful because I was sitting on that chair just like, God, what can I do from here? You know what I'm saying? And I know that God sent you guys my way. But I just want to tell you guys, thank you for all you do, you know, up front. You know, y'all are amazing and I love you guys, you know. So yeah, keep up the good work.
Well, I think we should clap for the team. I mean, the team itself, the team.
Yes, you got to have a strong team, y'all.
You know what? I don't tell everybody I love them on an often basis.
Oh, I'm sorry, that's my baby.
But I really love y'all, like, and I'm really thankful to have a supportive group like I do. You know what I mean? And we understand you may not know everything because we're all growing together. I don't want you guys to look at the situation, because we own the company, we feel like we're better, because we're not. We're actually on the same page. We're just in a different pay bracket. And that's it. And we're trying to get you all on the same pay bracket as well. We just want you to understand that your mindset has to shift, and that's pretty much it.
Right.
And we really appreciate you guys for even choosing to be a part of our team, because without you, there would be no us, you know?
Right.
That's it.
We're gonna let you guys go. We're gonna wrap it up. And enjoy your Saturday, everyone.
I know.
You
That's
too.
right.
Bye.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Keith with K1 Commercial Cleaning Services here in Vero Beach, Florida. At K1, we specialize in move-in, move-out cleanings, warehouse office cleanings, and we also service residential dumpster cleanings. We're ready to serve you. Give us a call at 772-261-0421 or email us at headadmin@k1commercialcleaningservices.com. We'll be happy to serve you. At K1, we value accountability, dependability, quality, and we also value you. Give us a call.